Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
piano adventure,
introduction and how we can use piano.
learning part 1.
Yeah, so let's dive into the piano.
And we have a piano here.
Okay, let's get started, Lina. So introduction to the piano. So what you'll know about piano, Lina?
I know that there's keys, like how I pressed in the beginning. So this is one key. These are other keys. So this is one key.
Yeah.
And then there's also pedals. We don't have pedals in our piano.
Yeah, we don't have a pedal in our piano.
Pedal.
And it has a keyboard.
Yeah, so this is the whole keyboard.
So when you press, it's the music gonna come,
Yeah.
right? Okay, what else we have in piano? So postures is very
that means
important.
position.
Yeah. So what you know about the posture, Nina?
So you have to keep your back straight, and with your feet flat on the floor, and your hands comfortably on the keyboards, and also they have to be curved like this.
So
Not
back
like this,
straight.
but not like this, but like this.
Yeah. So back straight, feet on the floor, and hands comfortably on the keyboard's fingers. It continues. So basic concepts about piano. So piano's key. What you know about piano keys, Lina?
So like these are all the layouts, all the keys.
And
So
it has?
So it has a pattern of black and white, but then there's sometimes two whites. It's like, so I'm starting with the two black bars over here. So white, black, and then white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, white, black, white, white.
Yeah, so it's continuous.
So it's gonna continue.
Yeah, and it repeats, right?
Yeah.
So that's what you explained. It's a pattern, right? Black and white keys. Okay, what else? High and low sounds.
So this is middle C.
Middle C here.
Yeah.
And
then from that middle C, this is all the low sounds.
What is
These
that
are
side?
all the high sounds.
Right side or left side?
This is your left hand side, so you don't use your right hand over here.
So it will be low.
So up to here. And
And
then
if
your
you go
right
that
hand
side,
over here.
yeah,
Then
it will be high sound,
yeah.
sharp sound. Okay, so let's do some experiment.
Experiment.
Yeah,
with
we're gonna see in the
high
different.
and low sounds on the piano to understand pitch.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk about the next slide. So high and low keyboard. So you already explained this side is a lower sound and that side is higher. So let's see how it works.
High sounds on the keyboard.
Do some more, please, Nina. Yeah. Can you press it, please? Yeah. Press more. Yeah. So location, high sounds are produced on the right side of the piano. So that side. And low sounds are on the keyboard, located on the left side. Pitch. So it also has a pitch. As you move to the right, the pitch of the notes increases. This means the notes sounds higher and can be described as bright or sharp.
So this is the brightest or sharp.
Can you press it?
You guys can't really see it, but
So at the end, right?
Yeah. And then it's on the right side end.
Yeah, very sharp sound.
So then this side, the left side hand, and it's on the last one.
That's the rough sounds.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So it's about the high pitch and low pitch.
Yeah.
Okay. High and low pitch on the keyboard continues.
Middle C.
Yeah. So you saw the middle C over here.
Yeah, before.
Yeah. As you see in the pictures too.
Yeah, right here.
There. And what they have? Middle C is is often considered the center point of the piano. Yeah, and it's a good reference notes that it's usually near the middle of the keyboard. Yeah, middle part. Okay, next. Octaves. What is that, Lena?
An octave is like something is like this. So like it has groups of 2 black keys and 3.
Yeah, so
there's
let's
5
read it.
black keys.
Yeah, so the keyboard is divided into sections called octaves, each containing a repeated series of 12 notes, 7 white and black, 5 black keys. As you see in the picture here, so 2 black, a total 5 black and 7 white. So that is 1 octave.
So it'll be like this.
That's divided into?
So it'll be these two. These are all the notes that are in 1 octave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, 12, and it goes until
we have one
limited amount, but actually it has 7 octaves in the piano.
We have
all
5.
Total. Okay, let's see the next. So regular practice. What is that mean? Regular practice.
So like you should set a practice routine, like when you should practice and when you should not practice.
Yeah, you have to have a specific time and consistency, right?
So like this picture is kind of funny because he's going like really fast.
Yeah, he cannot sleep. He sleep and he practice.
No, look at the clock. It's going really fast. That's why.
Yeah, and this guy is keep on practicing, right? So consistency, yeah, is the key. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Yeah, so I go to piano classes.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to do that, right? So you're gonna be mastering piano.
Yeah.
Okay, what else here? Practice diary. Yeah, you can have a practice diary and then mark your time, like how long you do, and if you see your diary, you're missing, you can do the next day, right? Maybe more than 20 minutes. If you miss that part, you can do the next day a little bit more longer. Okay, so thank you, Lena, for teaching.
Wait, there's something right there. Keep a diary to track progress and practice section.
Yeah, that's what I explained.
Yeah.
Okay, so good. It's good to know about the piano.
Yeah.
And how do you like your piano class?
It's really good.
Can you please show some notes?
So I'm gonna play a song that I learned in my piano class.
Yeah.
So wait.
Nice. And do you know one?
Oh yeah.
You know one part?
Wait.
Like this.
Oh wait. Wait.
That's called We Learn from YouTube. Yeah. So stay tuned with us, and we're gonna see next video.
Yeah.